A coat of arms is a heraldic symbol that dates to the 12th century in Europe. Although its original purpose was to establish identity in battle, arms were later adopted as emblems for cities, schools, churches, guilds, and corporations to reflect their origins or histories. The City of Ottawa Armorial seal was based on the first device of arms for Ottawa, designed in 1855, and was carved for Ottawa's City Hall, which opened in 1877. The device of arms was designed by Mr. George Hay, the first general manager of the Bank of Ottawa. However, it is not referred to as a coat of arms because it was never registered with the College of Arms. This armorial seal was used from 1877 to 1931. It is a stone low relief that once graced the Elgin Street City Hall and was carved from a slab of local limestone that came from Robillard quarries on Montreal Road. It should be noted that the City of Ottawa's current and official coat of arms was later granted and formally used on January 1, 1955. After the fire at City Hall in 1931, the sculpture was moved to different city workyards over the next 80 years. The City of Ottawa Archives received the Armorial seal in 2011 and, due to its historic importance and inherent fragility, it required the work of a team of professional conservators specialized in the conservation of stone heritage to treat the sculpture. The sculpture underwent cleaning, consolidation of broken pieces, and the fabrication of a specialized mount to display it permanently and safely in the archive's front lobby for the public to enjoy. Once reassembled, the next step was to make a metal cradle with padding for safe handling and display. The specially created mount provides a display support, which also makes it easy to clean and move the sculpture. The device of arms is now located in the rear entryway at the James Bartleman Centre, where the City of Ottawa's Central Archives is located. The symbols on the sculpture are meaningful to the City of Ottawa. However, because the chosen symbols were pictorial, they did not comply with the rules of heraldry and prevented the device from being formally registered. At the top, the broad axe represents Ottawa's timber trade. Next to it, a beehive represents industry, and a sheaf of wheat symbolizes plenty. On the crest, a locomotive represents transportation by rail, locks and a river represent transportation by water. A rural scene depicted by a deer among trees represents a country blessed with sunshine, timber, and game, and the Chaudière Falls represent water power facilities. The sculpture also includes two figures, Justice holding a sword and Balance with books to the right, and the Dignity of Labor resting a hammer on an anvil with the wheels of industry at its base. There are also oak leaves to represent strength and endurance, with the acorn representing fertility, renewal, and the promise of new beginnings.